Today we are taking a close look at a carbon fiber front engine clear bonnet hood designed for the Maserati Levante, a modification that completely transforms how this luxury SUV presents itself on the road. The Levante already carries a strong presence in the luxury performance segment, but this upgrade pushes it further into a more aggressive and custom-inspired aesthetic. The moment you replace the factory hood with carbon fiber, the entire front profile changes its character. The first thing you notice is the carbon fiber material itself. The woven pattern under a gloss finish reacts to light in a way that feels almost dynamic. In sunlight, it becomes sharp and reflective, while in shade it takes on a darker, stealth-inspired tone. It adds depth that standard paint simply cannot replicate. Fitment is one of the most important aspects of any body panel upgrade. Since the hood is a major structural element, alignment and precision matter. This piece is designed specifically for the Levante platform, which helps ensure the contours follow factory specifications for a cleaner integration with the rest of the body. The clear bonnet styling concept also adds a performance-inspired visual effect. It gives the front end a more exposed and purposeful look, similar to high-end custom builds where design is focused on showcasing intent and detail rather than just covering mechanical elements. Beyond aesthetics, carbon fiber also offers a weight advantage compared to traditional steel. While this does not completely change driving dynamics, reducing front-end weight can contribute to a slightly more responsive and balanced feel in everyday use. Installation should always be handled with care. Even when a part is designed for compatibility, proper alignment, secure latching, and safety checks are essential. A hood must close perfectly to maintain both safety and visual quality, so professional installation is strongly recommended. Once installed, the transformation is immediate. The vehicle looks lower, wider, and more performance-focused even when stationary. It changes how people perceive the SUV without altering any mechanical components. Maintenance is also important with carbon fiber. Keeping the surface clean, protecting it from harsh UV exposure, and using proper cleaning methods helps preserve the gloss finish and weave clarity over time. At the end of the day, this is not just a replacement part. It is a visual upgrade that redefines the identity of the Maserati Levante and brings it closer to a custom performance-inspired build. If you are someone who values presence, detail, and standout design, this is the kind of upgrade that speaks before the engine even starts. One more thing worth mentioning is how this type of modification affects the overall personality of the vehicle. It shifts the Levante from a factory luxury SUV into something more individualized, almost like a custom project that reflects the owner's taste rather than mass production design. It also tends to draw attention in a way that subtle factory finishes do not, especially in urban environments where design details are noticed up close. For many enthusiasts, this is the main appeal, creating a unique identity on the road that stands apart from stock vehicles. When combined with exterior carbon fiber upgrades, the hood becomes a central design element that enhances the overall aggressive visual identity without changing engine performance at all in any way.